Good day to all builders who are watching. It's Paolo again, your DIY guitar friend, back with another video to answer a frequently asked question. And today's question is, are guitar kits worth it? First of all, I am no expert. I don't have great experience in guitar building like our buddy Marty does. So this is coming from a complete newbie who just got into guitar building. So my answer is, it depends. There are many factors to consider when buying a guitar kit. First is the company you are buying it from. When you find that the guitar you want is available, do they have great customer service? Are they easy to reach? Are they being helpful? Do they provide resources to guide you through the whole process of building it? And of course, do they sell good quality products? As I have shown you in my unboxing video, this guitar passes with flying colors. It's so beautiful and the quality is outstanding. Guitar Kit World has easy to follow tutorials that even newbies like me could follow through. And most of all, our customer service is super amazing. Well, we try to be. You will not get automated responses. You will get live interaction from our friendly team of guitar heads who can definitely help you and provide the best answers out of our research. And again, we always try to give you the best answers. Bottom line is, get a guitar from a company that has good track record, great customer service, and the best quality guitars. You will surely have fun building your own DIY guitar kit. And again, we will always try our best to help you guys. Till next time, rock on!